addition. Here on this page we have two sets with objects which we will add, and to add we have to count and make it into one set of objects. In the first box there are moons, and in the second box there are moons. When we add the moons in both the boxes, then we get the total number of moons in the last box. Okay, now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have number 5. 1, 2, 3. Number 3. So we have to add 5 plus 3 to get the total. So for that we have to count. So we'll cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the total is 8. Now let's cut these moons and see if the total is same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is correct. Here we have suns. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll write number 4. 1, 2. Number 2. So totally how many suns are there? For that we have to count 4 plus 2. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2, 6. Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number 6 and 6 suns. So the total is correct. Now here we have hats. Let's count the hats. 1, 2, 3. So we shall write number 3. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6. 3 plus 6. Let's count. Let's cut and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Let us count the total number of hats and see if it is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is correct. Now here we have prisms. How many prisms are here? 1. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 6. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Now let us check if there are 7 prisms here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the total is correct and the answer is correct.